Hey guys, what is happening? Welcome back. This time we do have some surprise toys to open. We have these surprise egg capsules, and these are Disney princess capsules. We do get some very cool female characters from Disney included in these. These are from Zuru, who do make lots of these surprise capsules, and the age recommendation on these is 3 years and upwards. As with previous ones, you can tell which character is inside by the colour on the bottom. We have a green one there. We have this one, which is a dark blue. We have this orange colour as well. And we also have a pink one. So 4 in total to open. So let's open these and see what characters we have. Let's go for the green capsule first. The green capsule is Tinkerbell. This time let's open the blue coloured capsule. Awesome, we get Elsa. Next up, it is the orange capsule. This time we have Belle from Beauty and the Beast. And our last one is the pink colour. Who do you think will be inside this one? Wow, this is awesome. It's Daisy Duck. So which one was your favourite? Is it Daisy Duck? Is it Belle? Is it Elsa? Or is it Tinkerbell? My favourite is definitely Daisy Duck. She looks awesome. So there you have them, the Disney female character surprise egg capsules. These are extremely cool. Love the characters that you can collect, and they do look very good as well. Please let me know in the comment section below which one is your favourite. And of course, please do rate, comment and subscribe. And thank you very much for joining me on this review. And do check back next time for more awesome toy reviews here on Toy Review TV.